Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to draw a table lamp. So the stationery that I'll be using is the Staedtler 6B pencil for drawing, Posca pen for the outline, and Dome's eraser to erase any of the extra lines which will be there. And also I'll be using the Staedtler Luna pencil colors. So the links for all these products are there in the description section, so you can just click there if you want to buy any of these. So starting with the drawing, we are going to draw a center line, a standing line for the table lamp. Now we'll start with the circle on the top. We have drawn the standing line, so basically we have to draw the same thing on both the sides. So to have a symmetry, we are drawing a standing line so that both the sides are same. After drawing the circle, we have made two standing lines and then making curve at the bottom and the upper side. Now making two slanting lines on both the sides and again joining it with a curved line. Once we are done with this, we'll make the stand. So making a curved line and the same curved line at the bottom. So once we are done till here, we'll start with the outline part. So we are not outlining the center line as that was just for our help, and we are only outlining the lines which is part of the final drawing. Just outlining the outer structure. We are just doing it on top of the pencil lines that we have drawn before. Just be careful with the extra lines that we don't need to outline. Giving another curved line in the lampshade to make the design. You can make any pattern of your choice. Now making a slanting line on one side and the same on the other side, and a little curved line joining the bottom part to make the stand of the lamp. Again joining with the curved line, extending the lines and making the border. You can design it in any way you want. You can add any patterns, any designs on it. I am adding some flowers in the center of the lampshade, making a circle, then curved lines. This is just like the small leaves, making them around the circle. Just making a little curved pattern in between, and next I'll again draw a small flower with a half circle and again a leaf shaped petals around it. This is just an example. You can add any design of your choice. The similar pattern on the other side as well. So once I am done with this, I'll be erasing the pencil lines. These are all the extra lines which we just made for our help, so that to make the whole lampshade in a symmetrical portion. I am adding a base here, so just making an oval. Joining it with another curved line. So again I have drawn it with a pencil so that I get a perfect oval, and then I'll be outlining the portion which I need, the final drawing, and will later on erase the pencil lines which are not required. This drawing is very easy. Just follow the lines and you'll be there with your drawing. Just erasing the extra line of the oval that we don't need. So here we are with the whole drawing of the lamp. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe to my channel for daily videos, daily drawing tutorials. Now I am starting with the coloring process. So these are the Staedtler Luna pencils that I am using for the coloring. You can do any colors of your choice. So here I am using the yellow color. Again, the technique that I have always shared, do the coloring in one direction and do not leave any spaces when you are coloring. You can do the same colors or you can do colors of your own choice, that is up to you. This is just an example. So we are about to finish with the coloring. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comment section about this video, and also you can share with me what you want me to draw next for tomorrow's tutorial. For all the products that I have used, the links are there in the video description. You can just go there and check about them. So here we are done with the whole drawing. Hope you liked it. Do subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.